Afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. We've got a little bit of a G9 Financial State of the Union. First time we're ever doing this. We thought it would be good to have this chronicled and to every year look forward to talking about our year in review and where we're headed next year. So obviously myself, Mike Crotty, Dan Gerard to my right, your left, and then Elisa Chan over here. Elisa, why don't you tell us quickly a little bit about last year, what we experienced within the firm and our clients.
Yeah, so last year brought a lot of different conversations to our client, especially having the market being so volatile. But with that also brought a lot of opportunities, tax loss harvesting, putting cash into work, and staying on plan. A lot of times we have this idea of the plan that we want to have, but once we have a little bit of bump in the road, sometimes we want to change courses, but it's very important that we stay on that course, stay in that plan and not making any emotional decisions regarding the bigger picture of the market or an instant in the market, I should say. But that's what brought a lot of it was last year.
Yeah, a lot of conversations around staying on plan.
Exactly.
Yeah. From your perspective, anything different on that, Dan?
No, I mean, obviously the markets are volatile, people get nervous, and people want to make changes when they're losing dollars in their accounts. But it is important to stay on the plan because as the account values go down, they're going to come back up over time also. So it is sticking to the game plan you put in place is vitally important for long-term success.
Yeah, I don't think it was a day that went by that we didn't hear the word inflation, the Fed, where they were going with rates. It was constant conversations and still leading into this year. We still see some of the same trends of volatility early on. We're going to watch. Hopefully, inflation has started to come down a little bit, so we should hopefully see some better news in the markets. But we're here to talk about how your plan is and making sure you stay on plan if that comes up. Dan, why don't you talk to us a little bit about what we did as a firm last year, where we were, some things that people might not see every day on a daily basis.
Sure. So last year, a couple highlights. We completed and held our 9th annual community shredding event for the benefit of the Owen Carrigan Scholarship Fund. That has been our 9th year. We plan on holding our 10th again this spring at some point in May. We're working out the details now on that. The second half of the year began with several conversations with several other advisors who are in the process of considering and exploring retirement and having our G9 team be a solution for their clients as those folks venture into retirement. So those are conversations that are continuously ongoing. We have grown over the years through those type of mergers and acquisitions. And one of the reasons why we all came together many years ago was to continue those conversations. And we have continued looking for opportunities in that space to grow, not only here locally in Massachusetts, but really throughout the country and where the opportunities may bring it. And truly create a nationwide presence with G9 Financial if possible.
Yeah, I would say that in terms of our clients and everyone else, we look to do those in a very focused manner, though. It's not something where we're looking to take on more than we can chew off. We always know that service is our key to what we do.
Exactly.
And finding the right fit. We built, I think, the G9 brand and what we're all about in our philosophies and guiding principles, and we look to when we look at those opportunities, make sure that they fit in with those and that we're not getting too far out of the realm of the way that we do business, the way that we service our clients. So we'll continue to have those. Those don't happen overnight. They take a little bit of more time, planning, and effort. And we look to continue to those, and hopefully we'll have some positivity in that area come early this year.
Absolutely.
With that, we also, I think, Elisa, always looking for other advisors on the team. Would you talk about that a little bit?
Yeah, so obviously we mentioned about mergers and acquisition and acquiring other practices, but part of that is also having new advisors join our team. One of the reasons is services, having more of a presence in our community. So again, not everybody's a right fit, but we're always looking to have that conversation and see where it goes and see if we could expand our G9 family.
Yeah, right. Yeah, and I would agree with that. And the one thing is, right, having the right person, because we don't know what we don't know. And to bring someone else to the team that adds value to our leadership group and be able to provide continuous guidance as us as a group kind of pushing in the right direction of growing and serving our clients it's helpful.
Mhm.
And it's one of the new items that we have coming in, new items. We have another person joining our team, should be in the next few weeks. As we continue to grow and expand, we're gonna be adding a paraplanner we're pretty excited about. Dave, why don't you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes, so there's more to come on that. We don't want to go too deep, let the cat out of the bag just yet, but yes, we are adding a paraplanner / service advisor to our team, so at some point this coming quarter. And we will definitely have more to follow on that. We're very, very excited to have her as part of our team.
With that, last year, we also made a change with our marketing and social media. So the videos that we do, the stuff that you follow, hopefully we continue to show a good continuous engagement with people in our e-newsletter to keep you up to date on what's going on with us and also what changes might be out there in the market or things to be aware of. So continue to watch that. We've been very happy with that change and how that's happened. Another big thing that we do every year, I guess, individually and as a whole is professional education. Why don't you tell us a little bit about some of the things we did last year, what we're
Yeah.
headed this year?
So we're very involved in all of the events that we can possibly attend to. So broker dealer events and conference and investment seminars and even continuing education. For example, I'm at the end of the road for my CFP exam. So it's a nonstop. And after that, it's probably going to be something else that I'll probably be interested in. So we're always interested in getting involved, and it's not really for the information itself with these conferences, but also having other advisors that we can bounce ideas and share ideas and help us grow and help other people grow as well.
Yeah, we're always trying to get other points of view with other people that have practices that are similar to us, but might operate a little bit differently. And
Exactly.
we do that locally. We all are in different study groups with other advisors
Yeah.
at the higher level. So we continue to try to take not reinvent the wheel, but take what they do and borrow it. Yeah, best practices. And moving forward, I'd say we're just at the beginning of the year. We've actually coined a new term in here called check-ins. So if you're looking to get access to us or have a quick meeting and you don't need a full 30-minute or 60-minute review, we are always open for a 5, 10, 15-minute check-in. It doesn't have to be a full board meeting. But we always want to make sure that we are connecting with you in the manner that you need, Zoom, in person, however that looks. So we'll continue.
Yeah, but just with that is, obviously, we all live busy lives. And, one of the things that we want to stress is that we work by the open door policy. We're not always going to know what's going on in your world from a financial perspective. But if you have a question, concern, whether it be about buying a home, about an account you have with us or an account you may have elsewhere and need that second opinion, feel free to reach out to us. Our value at the end of the day is helping those that want to be helped and working with the clients that we serve to move them towards what their goals and wants are for their future. So, and please reach out, whatever we can do to help. We want to make sure we're doing what we can.
Yeah, we thank you for us being able to serve you. We value the relationships that we have with you and your family, the advice that we give and that you take and the healthy back and forth. And we continue to look to grow in our own way and grow with you in the coming years. So thanks again. We appreciate all of what you do for us.
Thank you all.
Thank you.